Brazilian waxing is a popular method for hair removal, known for its thoroughness and long-lasting results. This technique involves removing most or all hair from the pubic region, providing a smooth and clean look that many find appealing. The process can be customized to suit individual preferences, with some opting to leave a small strip or triangle of hair, often referred to as a landing strip. This allows for a personalized touch while still achieving the benefits of a Brazilian wax. The Brazilian waxing technique was popularized in New York by the J Sisters, a group of Brazilian sisters who introduced this method to the United States. Since then, it has gained global popularity, becoming a go-to choice for many seeking a clean and polished look. Unlike a standard bikini wax, which only removes hair along the bikini line, a Brazilian wax leaves the entire area bare or with minimal hair. This makes it ideal for those who prefer a more comprehensive hair removal solution. The long-lasting smoothness provided by a Brazilian wax is one of its most appealing features. It's especially favored by those who wear revealing swimwear, as it ensures a neat and tidy appearance without the need for frequent maintenance. Many people wonder about the pain associated with Brazilian waxing. The level of discomfort can vary based on factors such as individual pain tolerance, hair thickness, and the skill of the esthetician performing the procedure. Regular waxing sessions can make the process more manageable over time, as hair tends to grow back finer and sparser. This can lead to a reduction in pain and a more comfortable experience overall. To help minimize pain, we'll discuss various techniques and tips later in this guide. It's important to remember that everyone's experience is unique, and finding what works best for you is key. Choosing to get a Brazilian wax is a personal decision, and feeling informed and comfortable with your choice is essential. Consulting with a professional esthetician can help address any concerns and ensure a positive experience. This guide will cover everything from preparation to aftercare, aiming to provide you with the best possible results. Whether you're new to Brazilian waxing or looking to improve your technique, the information provided here will be helpful. Good preparation and proper technique are crucial for a successful Brazilian waxing experience. Taking the time to understand the process and follow recommended steps can make a significant difference. Let's start your journey to smoother skin. Remember, the choice to get a Brazilian wax is entirely yours, and feeling empowered and confident in your decision is what matters most. With the right knowledge and preparation, you can achieve the smooth, hair-free look you desire. So let's dive in and explore the world of Brazilian waxing together. Remember, the choice is yours, and feeling informed and comfortable is key to a positive experience. Let's embark on this journey to achieve the smooth, confident look you desire. Brazilian waxing offers long-lasting results, removing hair from the root. Enjoy smooth skin for 3 to 6 weeks, saving time compared to shaving. Hair regrowth is softer and finer, with some noticing reduced hair over time. Many appreciate the hygiene and comfort, especially in warmer months. Less hair can mean less sweat and odor, enhancing cleanliness. The aesthetic appeal boosts confidence, especially in swimwear or lingerie. It's a way to feel groomed and put together. Whether for a special occasion or routine, the aesthetic benefits are compelling. The confidence from looking and feeling your best is a strong motivator. Brazilian waxing is a personal choice for many. For an at-home Brazilian wax, gather essential supplies. Having everything you need within reach will make the process smoother and more efficient. Hard wax is recommended for sensitive areas, adhering to hair, not skin. This minimizes pain and reduces the risk of skin irritation. A wax warmer ensures the correct temperature, safer than a microwave. Consistent heat helps the wax maintain the right consistency for effective hair removal. Use wooden applicators for precision, smaller ones for detailed areas. These tools help you apply the wax evenly and accurately. If using soft wax, you'll need muslin or pellet strips. These strips are essential for removing the wax and hair effectively. Pre-wax cleanser removes oils, helping wax adhere better. Clean skin ensures that the wax sticks to the hair and not to any residual oils or lotions. Post-wax oil or soothing lotion calms the skin, reducing irritation. This step is crucial for soothing any redness or discomfort after waxing. Ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile are soothing. These natural ingredients help to calm and heal the skin post-waxing. Baby powder or cornstarch absorbs moisture, aiding wax grip. Applying a light dusting before waxing can make the process more effective. Ensure good lighting and a private space. A hand mirror helps. Proper lighting allows you to see what you're doing, and a mirror can help with hard-to-reach areas. Wear loose clothing post-waxing for comfort. Tight clothing can irritate freshly waxed skin, so opt for something soft and breathable. Organize supplies beforehand for a smoother process. Having everything laid out and ready to go will make your at-home waxing experience more efficient and less stressful. Quality supplies enhance your experience and results. Investing in good products can make a significant difference in the outcome of your waxing session. Preparation is key to a successful at-home wax. Taking the time to prepare properly will ensure a smoother, more effective waxing experience. Proper skin preparation is crucial for a successful Brazilian wax. Hair should be about a 1/4 inch long for optimal waxing. Trim longer hair to avoid a painful, messy process. Exfoliate a few days before waxing to prevent ingrown hairs. On waxing day, ensure skin is clean and dry. A warm shower opens pores, easing hair removal. Avoid lotions or oils that create a barrier. Use a pre-wax cleanser or mild soap. Consider your pain tolerance and timing. Avoid waxing during your menstrual period for less sensitivity. Relaxation and mental preparation enhance the experience. Some find a mild pain reliever helpful. Consult a doctor if needed. Proper preparation ensures the best outcome. Applying the wax, a step-by-step guide. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the essential steps to achieve a smooth and effective waxing experience at home. Start by heating hard wax to a thick, honey-like consistency. This ensures the wax is pliable and easy to work with. Always test the wax temperature on your wrist to avoid burns. This step is crucial for safety and comfort. Use a clean applicator to apply wax in the direction of hair growth. This helps in capturing the hair effectively. Work in small sections for better control and precision. This method reduces the chances of missing spots. Create a thicker edge for easy removal. A well-defined edge allows you to grip the wax better when pulling it off. Adjust your application technique for different hair growth directions. This ensures all hairs are effectively removed. Use a hand mirror for visibility in hard-to-reach areas. This helps in ensuring thorough application. Allow the wax to cool and harden before removal. This step is essential for the wax to grip the hair properly. Patience is key. Rushing leads to mistakes. Give the wax enough time to set for the best results. Apply wax correctly for effective removal. Proper technique ensures a smoother and less painful experience. Use a new applicator for each dip to maintain hygiene. This prevents contamination and keeps the wax clean. Proper application sets up a clean removal. Neat application ensures that the wax grips the hair effectively. Ensure each patch is applied correctly. This guarantees that the wax adheres to the hair and not just the skin. If unsure about hair growth direction, feel it with your fingers. This helps in applying the wax in the right direction. Applying wax with the direction of hair growth minimizes pain. This technique ensures a more comfortable experience. Use a new applicator for each dip to prevent contamination. This keeps the wax clean and safe for use. This careful application ensures a clean removal. Proper technique results in a smoother finish. Remember, patience and precision are crucial. Taking your time leads to better results and less discomfort. A well-applied wax leads to a smoother experience. Follow these steps for the best at-home waxing results. The big pull. Removing the wax effectively. Hold skin taut to minimize discomfort and bruising. Grip the wax strip's edge firmly. Pull quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth. Keep your hand close to the skin for a swift motion. Apply firm pressure to soothe the area post-pull. Work in small patches for better control. Avoid waxing the same area multiple times. For soft wax, use strips and follow similar principles. Hold skin taut and pull swiftly for effective removal. Proper technique ensures less pain and better results. Confidence and precision are key. A swift, decisive pull is best. Remember, practice makes perfect. Ouchless options tips for minimizing pain. Manage breathing. Inhale before pulling. Exhale sharply during. Work in small sections for better control and less pain. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before waxing. They increase sensitivity. Stay hydrated for resilient skin. Consider a topical numbing cream, but use cautiously. Apply numbing cream 30-45 minutes before waxing. Wipe off residue before applying wax. Regular waxing leads to less pain over time. Consistency helps hair grow back finer. Pain management is about preparation and technique. Controlled breathing and small sections are key. Avoid substances that increase sensitivity. With practice, waxing becomes more manageable. After the wax, soothing and caring for your skin. Remove wax residue with post-wax oil or natural oils. Apply soothing lotion with aloe vera or chamomile. Wear loose, breathable clothing post-waxing. Avoid hot baths, saunas, and exercise for 24-48 hours. Protect the area from sun exposure. Keep the area clean and cool. Resist touching or scratching to prevent infection. Consult a professional if redness or swelling persists. Gentle care aids quick recovery and smooth skin. Aftercare is as important as the waxing itself. Proper care ensures healthy, smooth skin. Keeping it smooth, long-term care and troubleshooting. Start gentle exfoliation 2-3 days post-waxing. Exfoliate 2-3 times a week to prevent ingrown hairs. Moisturize regularly with a light, non-comedogenic product. Avoid picking ingrown hairs. Use spot treatments instead. Consistent waxing leads to finer, sparser hair. Regular care ensures smooth, healthy skin. Consult professionals if at-home waxing is challenging. Proper skin care is key to mastering Brazilian waxing. Long-term care prevents common issues. Consistency and proper technique lead to better results. Enjoy beautifully smooth skin with regular care.